Hello everyone, welcome to Marina's Mind. Today we are going to solve MU Class 4 Electrical Written Numerical Questions. We can see questions on the screen. I am going to read 10,000 cubic millimeters of copper are drawn into a wire of 100-meter long. This is the first condition. Second condition, rolled into a square sheet of 100 side. We have to calculate, find the resistance of the wire and the resistance between opposite faces of the plate. If the resistance of the copper is given in ohm meter, okay, the data we have given in the question uh, uh, in the question resistivity is given, not resistance. So volume of the copper 10,000 millimeter cube. So we can convert it into meter cube. Okay. We will convert into meter cube. It is given in millimeter cube. Resistivity of copper is also given. Wire of the length is given. A square sheet side is given. Now, we first in the first condition, copper is drawn into a wire of 100-meter long. So, first we will calculate cross-sectional area of the wire. As we know that volume is equal to area into length. By using this formula, we can calculate area. Okay, you can see volume is given, length is given. So by using this formula, we will calculate area. Now area we already calculated. Now we can convert it into millimeter. As we calculated in meter square, we can convert it into millimeter. How we can convert? We can see in this question. We can see on the screen. Now, in the first condition, we calculate area. Now, resistance of the wire. Formula for resistance of the wire, rho into L by area, length, area, and resistivity. Then we can calculate resistance of the wire. By using this simple formula, you can see on the screen, we have to simply put the value resistance, length, and area, and we will get value of the resistance of the wire. You can see on the screen. Next condition, copper rolled into a square sheet having side 100 Now first we will calculate area. Area of a square, we know that a square of side. Side is given, we will convert into meter and then we will find area. If now we will calculate thickness. Area we already calculate, volume we know. So how we can calculate thickness? You can see volume is equal to area into thickness. So in this formula, using this formula, we can calculate thickness, volume divided by area. Then value of thickness, we will get 1 Now resistance between the two opposite large faces, we have to calculate. So for resistance, we will apply same formula. Resistance, we know that rho into length divided by area. Here length, thickness of the plate, area we already calculated, resistance is given. So using this formula, we have to simple value putting resistance we know, thickness we already calculated, area we already calculated. Then we will get resistance of the plate. Thank you.